Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about summation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that when I put about k equals to number 1, I will put number 1 gone here, number 1 gone here. So we have like this. Next, I will put number 2 gone here, number 2 gone here. So we have like this. And so on in here. Until we go to this one. Next, I will multiply by number 2 over number 2. So this number 2 will go inside of this one, this one, this one, and so on. So number 2, that is about 3 minus 1. Number 2, that is about 4 minus number 2. Number 2, in this one, we have 5 minus number 3, and so on in here. So in this situation, we have number 3 divided by number 3, number 1 divided by number 1. So we have 1 minus 1 over 3. This one we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. This one we have 1 over 5 minus 1 over 3. 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. This one we have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6. And this one we have 1 over k minus 1 over k plus number 2. So if we look carefully, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, they cancel. So the next one, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4, they cancel. That means this value from here, they will cancel. So we know that this one, they go to positive infinity. So we can consider about the limit. And case approach to positive infinity. So we know that 1 over k, they will go to number 0. Similar for this one, they will go to number 0. So that means we just have only number 1 and positive 1 over 2, because this value in here and this value in here, they cancel. And now we just have only 1 plus 1 over 2. So we calculate this one. And we have 3 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.